This is a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include an air suspension, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, a navigation system, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, big 20-inch wheels, roof rails, cooled seats, a rear view camera, an 8-speaker stereo system, and this vehicle has less than 48,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Chino Hills Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4480 Chino Hills Parkway in Chino.